Hey folks, right now we're cutting out here with the Moco. That is a 625 on the 5090R John Deere. Both of these two pieces of equipment are working flawlessly for us. So sit down and enjoy the porch swing music here that we've got, and watch us cut this field down. Switching gears here now, folks. We got the 4066R. We got it with the Pequea tedder behind it, and we're going to town on this piece. We're up against some weather. It's getting hot, the sun is out, and we've got to get this stuff baked and dried. Now at this point you see the Enrossi rakes. Got two of them here going, both on 4066R John Deere tractors. One rake is set to a left-hand kick, so it's kicking everything out to the left hand. The other is set for a middle row, so it's grabbing the left-hand kick, plus it's grabbing more. So we're putting together about 3 rows into one. Getting ready to make a great day of baling. What more can I say? We've got the 5090R back out, and we've got it on the baler. Got the mega wide going here on the John Deere. We're popping out 4 foot wide, 5 foot talls. Enough size to them to put some hay on the floor, but yet not too big, so our people that move them around for horses and goats and stuff can navigate these bales. We're out baling pretty fast today. Again, it's hot, and we need to get the field done, so we're kind of pushing it through the machine a little bit on the tight side, but we're getting her done. Follow along as we shoot some great aerial footage of this. And at this point, boys, we're out there picking them up at the same time. They're done raking, so both of the 4066Rs are coming back out to pick up bales. We've got the wide track skid steer there over there loading them into the barn. It's a team effort on all ends. But the temperature now is pushing close to 95 degrees. The humidity's up over 80%. So we need to get these bales in. There's some incoming weather coming. Hopefully it won't be severe. But really appreciate you guys following along and watching us as we bale out the second crop of 2023.